Do you want to learn how to use a Kaiber alternative to make your image to videos? Today, you'll receive a complete guide on how to use Genmo, a good, simple, and creative tool to make AI videos based on images. So with your Google open, type for Genmo. Click on the first option, now click on Create a Video. I'll sign in with Google account, but you can do it with your Discord account too. Now I'll click on Get Started, and here it is, the initial page to create your text to video or image to video. At the bottom of the page, you can select the format of the video, basically the aspect, horizontal, vertical, or square. In my case, I want horizontal. At this first option, you can create and generate a custom starting frame. You can type anything you want here and generate your image. This will be the first frame of your video, or you can upload the first frame of your video too, clicking here. The image have to be on your PC. On my case, I'll not use this option. I'll teach you guys how to create from 0 point. Basically, I'll make the example that Genmo already is saying to me. Now I'll click on Generate Image. I'll scroll down a little and wait for the running process. I didn't like the result, so I'll change Dancing Ballerina to Confidence Mid-Age Guy. So I can see that the result with persons is not really good, so I'll try to make a little nature. Forest dungeon with animals. Let's try again. I really like this result. Now I'll click here, and the step 2 is refine the story of your video. Basically, the site explains that your AI animation will start with this frame. You have to describe how you want frames to look in the caption. The caption is below here. You can color over backgrounds and objects to animate them, or you can let Genmo animate the whole frame. I'll use to select the objects here on my video. Basically, the animals is the part that I want to move. And I'll select the eyes, so I set my brush size a little thinner, and I'll select all these eyes and water. I think that's good. You have to describe the frames. Now scroll down. Here you have a customized options, like the duration of the video. I set for 5 seconds. The exploration, so the exploration is for faster changing and more chaotic animations. I'll decrease this value. The dynamism controls how fast content changes over time, and higher values can lead to more blur. And here you set the smoothness of transitions. I'll decrease this a little. I will set to edit with instructions because I'm pretty new at this type of tool. Now I have to describe the frames. A forest dungeon with animals and exclude anything. I don't want to do any of these things, but if you want to change something at the image, you have to type here. And if you don't want anything to happen at your video because you already tested and had a problem, you can exclude anything, type in here, describing styles and objects you want to exclude. This is optional. Now I'll tap on make a video and let's see how it will look. Here is the result of my video. Here you can mark if you like it or not your result. You can download it, click in here. You can see that have a watermark. And to make videos without watermark, you have to activate the turbo mode. Basically, you have to pay. I'll make a new video and show you guys how you can use Genmo to a pretty more interesting function. I'll make a new video and I'll put an old car. Let's generate an image. So that's it. I'll click here. I will add an edit to tell a story. The edit tool will be a fashion, pretty, and expensive car. And I'll add one more edit and I'll type a futuristic car. I will set the length of the video to 8 seconds. I will increase the smoothness, I'll increase the dynamism, and I'll increase the exploration a little bit too. Let's try. So here it is. I had an amazing result using Genmo. This video is incredible, and you can make videos just like that just by following these steps. If the content helped you, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel to follow our content. If you had any doubt or want to make a compliment or a suggestion about the video, please be free to use the comment section. Bye!